We have some black beans. And we have some green apple coleslaw. Yummy yum. So in making these shrimp tacos, first I'm going to marinate the shrimp overnight. And the first thing that I'm going to put in it is some garlic salt. Now this is about 1.3 pounds of shrimp. Next, I'm going to put some lemon pepper seasoned salt. Onion and herb. South African smoked seasoning. Some ground cumin. Just a little ground cumin. It has a very strong taste. Smoked paprika. Little dab of liquid smoke. Less than 1/2 teaspoon. Like I'm gonna use the top. Oops, that's too much. I put like a little dab. A dab. Who could dab, y'all? And I'm gonna put a little dab of oyster sauce. And that was about 1/2 teaspoon. Then we're just gonna mix it. I'm gonna let it marinate overnight, and tomorrow we're just gonna put some garlic and olive oil and butter. And tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a day away. So my daughter told me she bought me an appetizer while I'm cooking dinner. That looks like the whole dinner to me. Thank you. Hot. I'm going to add some olive oil. Garlic and my chopped red and yellow onions. I'm going to lower my heat a little, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Give this a little stir. And it's time to add the shrimp. I had the shrimp marinating overnight. I showed you all the seasoning I put on it. And here we go. Turn it back up to medium. We're just gonna let these cook. Not too much. You don't want them to overcook. Turn the heat up a little bit because the shrimp are cold. Just making sure your shrimp are not going to be overcooked. There's nothing worse than overcooked shrimp and lobster. It becomes rubbery. And since these shrimp are small, they're going to be ready in a second. Well, these were considered medium, so they're just about ready. Okay, so I'm going to use these white corn, super soft, small tortillas. And I'm just going to heat them up in this grill pan. Put some olive oil. Rub the olive oil onto the grill pan. Let's heat up the olive oil. Let me see if it's hot enough. Yep, I think so. I'm a OG boy. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. I'm just gonna put these in the taco holder. Make sure the olive oil is around the pan and put in 2 more. Yum, yum, yum. They look really good, don't they? Okay, we're gonna fill this with shrimp. Maybe 4 shrimp each. And we're gonna put some Mexican shredded cheese. We have some black beans. We have some guacamole and salsa. We have sour cream. And we have some green apple coleslaw. Yummy yum. I thank y'all for watching this video, and I hope you try these recipes. Even though they weren't full blown out, just regular recipes the way I do it. I hope you like it, and I hope you decide to come back and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and vlogs. It's getting warm outside, so I'm going to be hanging out and trying to vlog outside and restaurants and outings and events. So please subscribe, and I love you all, and thumbs this video up so it could get out there for the people to see, and share it as well. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when my next videos are coming up. And thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah. Oh, and one more thing. I'm going to be doing some of these recipes vegan style because I have a vegan daughter, and I know what it's like that people make a whole bunch of different wonderful food for, you know, regular carnivorous people, but vegetarian people and vegan people need to eat too. See you later.